The 14th century BC marked the beginning of the Greek Mycenaean Age. Mycenae and other cities of the Peloponnese gradually took control of the Aegean from Crete. The Mycenaeans emerged from the fusion of Indo-European Greek-speaking peoples and the native Pelasgian population, absorbing much of Cretan culture. Around 1400, Knossos fell under Mycenaean control, and Linear A was replaced by Linear B, an early form of Greek. Mycenaean culture eventually spread to southern and central Italy. Meanwhile, Canaan prospered under Egyptian protection, while the Phoenicians revolutionized writing by developing an alphabetic system in which each sign represented a sound. Their alphabet used consonants rather than vowels and became the ancestor of all known alphabetic writing systems. Phoenician trade also expanded through innovations such as improved glassmaking and purple dye, a highly valued product extracted from mollusks. Tyre and Sidon were among the cities that benefited most from these developments. Egypt entered a period of major religious transformation under Amenophis III and especially his son Akhenaten. Akhenaten promoted Aten as the only true god, founded the new capital Akhetaten and challenged the powerful traditional priesthood. Together with Nefertiti, he also encouraged a more naturalistic and human style of royal art. After his death, however, his religious reforms rapidly collapsed. Tutankhamun restored the traditional religion and returned the capital to Thebes, while later Horem eliminated the cult of Aten and reorganized Egypt. Elsewhere, the balance of power was changing. Shaba-Luliuma created the Nuevo Reino Hittita, weakened Mitanni and expanded Hittite influence into Syria, while Ashur-uballit established Assyria's independence. The Hebrews entered Canaan and formed the kingdoms of Ammon, Moab and Edom. After Horem's death, Ramses I began the 19th dynasty, and his successor Seti I restored Egyptian power in Syria, although Egypt ultimately reached a compromise peace with the Hittites.